condition for resonance? Anyone?
XL minus XC is equal to 0.
Right, XL minus XC equal to 0 or XL is equal to XC, right? That is the net reactance value is equal to 0. Therefore, the impedance value will be Z equal to capital R.
Z is equals to R.
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 Very good. So, what is the formula for resonant frequency F naught? F naught.
XL is equal to XC.
Oh, no. Resonant frequency F naught. Formula for F naught.
So 1 by 2 pi root LC.
Very good. 1 by 2 pi under root LC. Good. Very good.
LC.
Yeah. Note down one problem on this topic, resonance. A coil with resistance. A coil with resistance. A coil with resistance of capital R equal to 80 ohms and inductance L equal to L equal to 100 millihenries. 100 millihenries is connected in series. Is connected in series. Is connected in series with a 500 microfarads capacitor and a generator of 200 volts source. So here the generator of source value given as 200 volts. Now what they are asking is determine the first bit. They are asking us the resonant frequency. Determine the resonant frequency and the circuit impedance at resonance. At resonant frequency. So you need to determine the value of F naught, that is resonant frequency, and the value of Z at that particular F naught. Okay, that is the thing what they are asking. So everyone have to note down this very important model. Earlier it should be asked in the JNTU semester exam for 5 marks with the same model. Okay, in last year. So note down the given data first. What is given data? What is the given data given? What are the values they given in problem? What is the value of R?
R is equals to 80 ohms.
80 ohms and value of L? 100 millihenries in the sense 100 into 10 to the power of minus
100 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
henries and C equal to, which is connected in series, 500 micro in the sense 10 to the power of minus 6
To the power of minus 6.
farads, right? Now which category of the circuit it is? Series RLC circuit, correct? RLC, all of them are connected in series, right? So immediately you need to draw the RLC series circuit in your examination. So they given R value, they given L value, they given C value, right? Here it is I, this is the V. So what is the voltage they given? 200 volts generator, right? Now what we need to determine resonant frequency F naught. What is the formula for F naught?
1 by 2 pi into square root of LC.
Right. So you know all the values. Will you substitute and tell me the answer for resonant frequency? 100 into 10 power minus 3 into 500 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So do it in your calculator and tell me the answer for F naught. All of you do it and tell me the answer. What is the value of F naught? Do it quickly. What is the answer? F naught value. Right, tell me what is the answer? F naught value.
Sir, is 70.7, sir?
No. Check once again.
Sir, 0.44.
No. See, 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
2.27.
No. Why you are doing mistakes for simple calculations? 1 by
Sir,
2.
minus 2.8.
No, where is minus? How you will get minus here? 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3, that is 0.1. 10 square into 10 power minus 3. Multiplied with some 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So substitute, you will get the value now. Tell me.
0.044.
No,
Sir.
wrong answer.
Sir, we have to answer the root value, sir. 0.1 into 5 into 10 power minus 4.
Total 1 over 2 pi under root 0.1 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Total value only your F naught, not only for under root. So your answer is 22.5. Avinash, correct? 22.5. Are you getting same value?
Yes, sir, 22.51.
Yeah, okay. Right. 22.5 done. And what about your second bit? Circuit impedance at resonant frequency? So what is the formula of Z at resonance? What is the value? Z equal to at resonance. Manoj, Z equal to at resonance impedance.
Z is equals to R, sir.
R plus J.
Very good.
R plus J
Z
into
equals to R.
LX minus LC.
No, that is what I'm asking at resonance. In general, it should be R plus J into XL minus XC, but at resonance, the net reactance term should be 0. J value is 0. So therefore, it will become as Z equal to R only. So what is the value of R in given problem?
80.
That is the answer. That's it. Done. Understand everyone? Having any doubts? How to calculate resonant frequency and circuit impedance at resonant frequency? Clear all of you? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall we move on to second problem?
Yes, sir.
Right. Note down the second problem. A 40 microfarad. Wait a moment. I will share the new screen. A 40 microfarads capacitor is connected in series with the coil whose inductance is 8 millihenries. Then determine the first bit. They are asking resonant frequency. Second bit, the resistance of the coil. If 100 volts source, they are giving one condition that 100 volts source operating at the resonant frequency causes a circuit current of 5.6 amperes, and also they are asking to determine the quality factor of the coil. This is the problem. So note down the given data from the problem. A 40 microfarad capacitor is connected in series with the coil whose inductance is 8 millihenries, and you need to determine the resonant frequency resistance of the coil capital R if voltage of 100 volts is operating at resonant frequency causes a current of 5.6 amperes. And you also need to find out the quality factor of the coil. So first, note down the resonant frequency. They given as L value as 8 millihenries and C value as 40 microfarads. Now, will you able to calculate F naught by using these two values? What is the formula? For F naught,
1 by 2 pi under root LC.
good. 1 by 2 pi under root LC. So substitute your L and C values and tell me the answer for F naught. 8 into 10 power minus 3, some 40 into 10 power minus 6. Do it.
Sir, 281.3, sir.
281. Good, very good.
0.3.
Very good, Harsha.
Thank you, sir.
281.3 hedges. Good. And your second bit here, a little bit of analysis required for your second bit. See carefully what they are asking capital R. You need to calculate capital R. How did you calculate capital R? What is the formula initially for capital R? Forget about your problem. What about capital R? V by I, right? V by I. Here I is nothing but your maximum current, that is resonance. I am equal to V by Z, where Z is nothing but capital R, right? So here, are they given V value? V value, are they given in the second bit? How much V value?
100.
100. All right, determine the resistance of coil if 100 volts source. 100 volts source, nothing but your voltage value 100, operating at resonant frequency. That means at resonance condition. Resonance
Sir,
condition in the sense, tell me, ma. Someone is.
sir,
I know.
281.4, sir.
Okay,
281.3, not 3, sir, 4.
okay, right. That's not an issue. Okay, 281.39. 281 is enough. Okay. Right. See here in second bit, the resistance of the coil. If 100 volts source is operating, the given voltage is 100 and causes a current of how much? 5.6. So that is 100 by 5.6. Now how much the value of resistance?
Sir,
100
70.85.
17.85. Good, very good. 85. What are the units for resistance? Ohms. What is the third question they are asking? The quality factor of the coil. What is the formula for quality factor? I given three formulas, right? So here you are having all the parameters. R value is there, L value is there, C value is there, F naught value is there. So what is the first formula for quality factor? Formula of quality factor.
1 by omega naught CR, sir.
Right, 1 by omega naught CR or omega naught L by R. You can take any of the formula and check the answer. Both will be getting same answer. Now I am taking omega naught L by R. You can take 1 by omega naught CR, right? Both answers will be remains the same. Now omega naught L by R. So what is omega naught here? 2 pi F naught L by R. So 2 pi into F naught value already calculated 281 point some 3, I think some 4, 281.4, that is multiplied with your L value 8 millihenries, 8 into 10 power minus 3 whole divided by your R value. What is the R value? 17.86 or 85.
Yes, sir.
So do it and tell me the answer for quality factor.
Sir, 0.7922 something, sir.
So 0.79,
0.79.
0.7922. So I am taking
22.
as the approximate value 0.8. Okay. Quality factor. Quality factor don't have any units, ma. Remember, Q has no units. Very important for your objective questions. Objective exam very much important. Units for quality factor. They may give like hedges, ohms, henries. Last option has no units. Answer is no units. Done? Noted all of you? Shall we go for one more problem? Right. Note down the last problem. A circuit having a resistance of a circuit having a resistance of a circuit having a resistance of 5 ohms and inductance of 0.4 henries and a variable capacitance in series is connected across a 110 volts, 50 hertz supply. Full stop. Now calculate a bit. The value of capacitance. The value of capacitance to given resonance. That means at resonance condition, you need to calculate C value. Next, your B bit current, C bit VL. That means voltage drop across inductor. Next, VC, and also they are asking quality factor. The value of capacitance to given resonance and the current value I0 or IM and VL, voltage drop across inductance and the voltage drop across capacitance and the quality factor. What is the formula of voltage drop across inductance? VL is equal to your I0 XL, right? I0 or IM XL, and VC same, I0 XC or IM XC. Formula for quality factor omega naught L by R. So formula for current, your B bit, I0 or IM is equals to V by R. And your first bit, value of capacitance at resonance. So at resonance in the sense, what is the formula for F0? 1 by 2 pi root LC. Right? 1 by 2 pi root LC in the sense where L value they given, right? And F0 value, are they given the F0 value? What is the value of F0? They given us a 50 hertz,
Yes, sir.
right? So substitute and tell me the answer. Are you able to do by your own? See here, I am giving the procedure to solve it. What they are asking, capacitance, right? So F0 is equal to at resonance 1 by 2 pi root LC. So from this, shall I write like this? 4 pi square LC is equals to your F0 square. So from this C equal to 1 by 4 pi square F0 square L. So you know the value of F0, right? You know the value of L from the given data. substitute and you will get the value of C here. So calculate C value and your B bit is current. Current is nothing but I naught is equals to V by R. V value they given as 110 and R value they given as 5 ohms. So substitute, you will get your current and your C bit VL. VL is nothing but I naught XL. So I naught into XL is nothing but 2 pi FL, right? Nothing but omega naught L, that is 2 pi F naught L. F naught is 50, L value is 0.4. I naught will be calculated in B bit. So by substituting, you will get your VL value. Later, go for fourth bit, that is D bit. What they are asking VC, I naught into XC. So I naught into XC is nothing but 1 by omega naught C, that is 1 by 2 pi F naught C. C value already calculated in your A bit, substitute, and you will get VC. And the last one, what they are asking, Q factor, Q equal to omega naught L by R, right? Omega naught in the sense 2 pi F naught L by R. So all values are available. Substitute, you will get the value of Q. So will you do by your own, all of you? The entire procedure is on screen. Just you need to substitute the numericals in given formula. So all of you, will you do by your own? Mama, screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Okay, fine. Now will you able to do by your own this problem?
We try.
There is no question of try. We can do.
Doing, sir.
Okay, yes, there is no try. Okay, right, do it, do it. Do it and tell me the answers.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, ma.
sir, C value 2.53 into 10 to the power minus 4.
The value of C is 2.53
53 into 10 to the power minus 4.
2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. No, check
Four.
once again.
Okay, sir.
It should be around 25.3 into 10 power minus 6. So that we can simply write that as 25.3 microfarads. That is the value of your capacitance. Okay, value of C. Check that answer. Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir,
What is the
current value 0.022.
current
Current
value?
value.
No, check once. Not 0.22.
Sir, the ohms value for ohms, what, sir? The value of ohm.
What is the value of V? They given as 110. 110 by 5, simply.
22, sir.
Yes, it should be 22.
22.
Good. 22.
22, sir. 22. Correct value.
Amperes. See, these kind of silly mistakes, 0.22, right? It should be 22. That will make your marks lesser. Okay. So always the calculation, try to practice more. The microfarads, millihenries. Okay. You need to make more familiar with that values of 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 9. What about VL value? Quick, value of VL.
Sir, VL value 1398.88.
No. Your I naught 22 into 2 pi into 50 into your L value how much? 0.4. Twenty-two into 2 pi into 50 into 0.4. How much it will be?
2763.2.
Good, very good. 2763. How much more? 63.2.
2.
Right, volts. So similarly calculate your VC value and Q naught. Manoj, once take the attendance and share that screenshot in group.
Okay, sir.
Or minus 3.
1 second. No? Yes, now tell me what is the answer for VC?
2.76 into 10 to the power minus 3.
No. You are doing mistakes with your 10 to the power of values. Your C value is 25.3 into 10 power minus 3. You need
Sir,
to
is it 2769.31?
good, very good. 27, 1 second again.
10 to the power minus 4 and
27, how much?
2769.3,
69.3, right? How much? 2769 point. Here I am writing as a 3. 2769.3 volts. Right. So in the similar fashion, calculate the quality factor also. Right. Do it at your home. For today, the time up. So tomorrow we will go for 3-phase systems. Okay, balanced 3-phase system.